Students, now we are going to learn about sign convention for Kirchhoff's second law in current electricity chapter. So in class 12 physics and also class 10 physics, important topic, sign conventions for Kirchhoff's second law. So you know the statement of Kirchhoff's second law. In any closed circuit which is having cells and resistances, the algebraic sum of potential differences or the algebraic sum of products of currents and resistance is equal to 0. The algebraic sum of potential differences in any closed circuit is 0, or potential difference is the product of I and R from Ohm's law. So in any closed circuit having cells and resistances, the algebraic sum of products of currents and resistances is equal to 0. Sign conventions. So sign convention topic is related to when do we take a plus sign, when do we take a minus sign. Students, you can see the figures. When the observer follows the direction of current, you want to take potential difference as the product of I into R as minus. So I into R is taken as minus of I into R. When the observer follows a direction opposite to current direction, you can see in the second figure. So I into R will be taken positive. So plus I into R. Along the same direction means I into R is minus I into R. So opposite to current direction means I into R is positive. Now in the third figure, students, when the observer meets the first positive electrode of the cell. So in this figure you can see observer meets the positive electrode at first. But don't go to I and R. Even I is there, R is there. But don't compare with those two. When the observer meets positive electrode of the cell at first, the potential difference of the cell or EMF of the cell will be taken with minus sign. So V of the cell is minus V or E of the cell is minus E. But in the figure 4 you can see, students. So in this case observer is going to meet negative electrode at first than positive electrode. But in the previous one, observer meets positive electrode at first then negative electrode. But here he meets negative electrode first. That is why potential difference V is that is EMF of the cell will be taken with plus sign. So these are the sign convention, students, most important for solving the problems, circuit problems. So related to finding current, resistance, EMF. So now we are taking one example, students. So here we have a closed circuit. You can see A, B, C, D, E, F. So in the arm AB, so there is a cell of EMF V1 and resistance R1, and you can see the current direction I1. In the arm DC, there is a cell of potential difference or EMF V2 and resistance R2, and current from it is I2. And in the arm EF, you can see there is no cell, but both currents coming from V1, currents coming from the cell V2 is moving through the arm EF, I1 plus I2, and their directions you can see, students. Now we are going to apply Kirchhoff's second law for the closed loop ABCDA. You can see, students, observer following the closed circuit A, B, C, D, A. That means observer moving from A to B, B to C, C to D and D to A. So A to B students, current is moving, you can see, from B to A. So moving opposite to current direction. So here you can see, when observer in the figure number 2, when the observer moves opposite to current direction means I into R with positive sign. That is why I1 current and resistance is R1 with plus sign is taken. But when the observer moves from A to B, he meets the positive electrode of the cell at first. That is why minus V1 is taken. So on reaching B and B to C, so observer comes from A to B now. So two are noted. One is plus of I1 R1 and another one minus V1. Now C to D students, observer moves from A to B and B to C. Now C to D. Now you can see the current I2 is moving from C to D. That is along the direction of the current in the first figure. I into R will be minus students along the direction of the current. You can see minus I to R2. Then D to A is equal to 0. So sum of products of currents and resistances, algebraic sum of products of currents and resistances and also EMFs of the cell in the closed circuit is equal to 0. This is. Now we are applying the Kirchhoff's second law for the closed loop. DC FED means that observer moving from D to C, C to F, F to E and E to D. D to F means you can see again opposite to current direction. So I to R2 is positive, plus of I to R2. And in this case, the observer on moving from D to C, he meets first positive electrode, then negative electrode. That is why minus V2 plus C to F and F to E. F to E, you can see students, current is moving from E to F. Observer is moving F to E. That is why with opposite to current direction means with positive sign is written. So plus of current into resistance. But current here is I1 plus I2 and resistance is R3 is 0. Similarly, you can apply the rule. You can apply the rule students for the closed circuit. For the closed circuit, B A E F B, but you are missing DC, but DC is not taken. Observer is moving from B to A, then A to E, E to F and F to B. So B to A means moving along the direction of the current. That is why product of current and resistance is taken with minus sign. So minus I1 R1. But during this time, the observer touches the first negative electrode, then positive electrode. That is why plus V1 is taken. And A to E students, observer comes from B to A to E. So then you can see along the direction means minus current, minus of current into resistance. So current is I1 plus I2 into R3 is 0. So these are the sign convention students. So you can see sign conventions once again. So they are important. And you can try this. So that's all students.